Today's project, find embellishments for a horrifying art piece. And if you're new to my channel, hello from Sufani's world. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And without further ado,
Nosferatu!
we're off to vintage shop with the mayor, who is always reluctant to be on camera. Huh, Mayor?
Yep.
I'm looking for things for my Nosferatu art piece. I have no idea what I'm looking for. I just know that when I find something, it will stand out to me. The mayor pointed this one out to me by saying, "Look, hun," because I have freckles. I always have to look over the toy section because there are some funky looking toys, and also because they're just so bright and cheerful. The mayor getting down. I look like a kid who dressed themselves for the first time. Gotta take time to be goofy. Books. Well, they did not have anything that I was looking for. On to the next. Right, Mayor? So then we headed off to the craft store to see if I could find any embellishments that maybe would fit. And although I did purchase some, overall, I just couldn't find what I was looking for. So instead, we made time to be a little goofy in the store. Instead of "Where's Waldo?" "Where's the mayor?" And now I will present to you the Nosferatu book. Okay, that's freaky.
Nosferatu!
Secrets silent, stony sit in the dark places of their tyranny. What will you hide in this darkened chamber?